flowers. Ooh, we are watering the flowers. We can water the yellow flowers as well, Angela. We can water these plants as well. It's spring and we need to water the plants. Ooh. Can you water the plants? Well done, Pablo. Well done. Oh, you don't have water, so go for more water. Angel, go for more water. So go for more water. Go for more water if you don't have. Aitana, do you have water? Yes, we can water plants here as well. So go for water. No more water, so go. Go for more water. We need to water the plants. Well done. So go for more water. We need to water the plants. Finish? Come on. So go for more water. Go for more water. We need to water the plants. Come on, bring water. No water, so go for more. Water so for the plants. Let's water the plants. Come on. It's spring and we need to water the plants. So go for more water. Go for more. No more, so go for more. Go for more water. Oh, very well done. We are watering the plants. Super. Okay. Yeah, we are watering the flower. Well done. Elena, no more water? You've got plenty. Look, come on, come on. The yellow flowers. Yellow flowers as well, not only purple. Here, Giuseppe, we can come this side. We can come and water this side as well. Come on, Javi, here. Let's water this side. It's spring and we need to water the plants because it's very hot today. Come on. Javi, come on, we can water these plants as well. We can water this side as well. Come on. Abel, go for more water. You please go for more water. Okay, come with me, come with me. We can water these plants. We can water these plants as well. So go for more water. Come on. So go for more water. You got water? So come on, let's water these plants. So come on, let's water these plants, the green ones. Come on, Marianne. We need to water them. It's very hot today. Come on, Vega. Let's water the plants. Very well done. Super, very well done, Jorge. Let's water the plants. Come on here, Alicia. Let's water these plants. Well done. Perfect. No more water. So go for more. Go for more. Come on, Jorge. Finish? So go for more water. Alba, let's water these plants. Okay. Let's go. No more? Do you want more? So go for more. Okay. Well done. Okay. Oh, we are watering the plants. But we don't need that. We are watering the plants, okay? Perfect. Super. Okay. More? So go for more. We can water the trees as well. Do you want to water the trees? Do you want to water the trees, Javi? Do you want to water the trees? So let's water the trees. Come on. Sophia, let's water the trees. Come on, Aitana. Come on, let's water the trees. Yeah, because it's spring and it's very hot today and we need to water the trees. Well done, Pablo. Very well done, Sophia, watering the trees as well. There are more trees left. Where is the bird? Oh, it's gone. Well done. There are more trees, not only this one. There are plenty of trees. There are plenty of trees. If you finish, so go for more water. Finish, so go for more water if you finish. Let's water the trees, Marianne. Let's water these trees.